Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I want to say please subscribe, like, and comment. Um, if you want to join the Patreon, you can join www.patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. Um, it's like I said in the other video. Last time I said that we were going to 488, 489 ish. We basically hit that yesterday, 488, right? So that was pretty cool. And I'm as of now pretty much bearish. Let me see. Regular. Yeah, I'm bearish. There's two things that can happen right now. I think almost with, I don't want to say certainty, but pretty sure we're going back to 480. And then from here, we're either bouncing to 487 or you're going to have a full drop down to 473 back to this trend here. So very simple. Last time we had a 4-hour bear trigger, you dropped about what? From peak high to low, you dropped about what, $8.43 in about a week. So I mean, you already hit that high, right? So 5 days, 4 hours, $8.43. 43 cents. Yeah, I'd say my best guess is you're probably. Whoops. My best guess. My best guess is you're probably going down to this trend, then bouncing from here, right? So I'd say definitely really good short to short all the way down to 480 right now. That seems like the logical thing to do. And then after you hit this trend, you're either going back up to this channel. You're either going back up to this channel to 487, or you're gonna drop back down to trend. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't want to make too much of a long video, but this is basically what I think is going to happen. I think right now we're going to 480. You could probably go back to 487 after this bounce. I think it'd be possibly a really good long. You might wick down a little bit towards like 478 and then completely recover and head back up. And again, if you come down here and you come back up here to this trend here, there's like a 90% chance that if you come back up to this mid channel, you're probably going to keep heading up to like 495. And that's where I'm a little bit more bullish towards, especially with DXY, dropping, right? And it has a gap. You have a gap on DXY at 102. You're already on a bear trigger on the day, and the 2 day is gonna be closing. What's today? Thursday. So tomorrow, right? So I don't want to say I'm 100% positive we're going down, but you do have a bear trigger closing tomorrow. So I do think DXY is headed more towards like a down direction. But keep in mind DXY right now is on a inverse head and shoulders, right? Which tends to play out pretty well. So we'll see what happens, right? You could come down a little bit more to this inverse head and shoulders right here, play out where it comes down here, and then it just completely moonshots to the upside, or it comes right back down here. But I do think DXY has a little bit more wiggle room to the lower end, right, back down here. So the 4-hour is bullish, but again, you've had nothing but just a consistent drop on the 4-hour right now. So I do think it's going to keep continuing to go down. And then Bitcoin just looks that disgusting right now, bro. Like even on these, like, I mean, you have a daily bull trigger here, but again, this last one got canceled out immediately. This one got canceled out as well. So Bitcoin does look like it's headed back down to like 37.4, 37, like 37K, somewhere around this range, right? It looks pretty disgusting. Unless this whole thing gets bought out and you completely just shoot up to like a 41.3 today or tomorrow, Bitcoin looks really gross. But yeah, that's basically it. SPY, very simple. I think we're going lower. I think we're definitely going lower back to like 480 and then pop up here. And if you pop up here, better chance of 495. But I think right now we're headed to like 480, 479. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.